नंबर संबंधी इश्तिहार लगवाउण लई संपर्क करो साडे नंबर 2013124180 ਜਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਈਮੇਲ ਆਈਡੀ preetnamausa@gmail.com।
लॉन्ग आइलैंड इंडो अमेरिकन लायंस क्लब ने वीरवार 18 जून 2026 ਨੂੰ ਹਿਕਸਵਿਲ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਦੇ ਡਾ ਪਰਲ ਬੈਂਕੁਏਟ ਵਿਖੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਾਲਾਨਾ ਗਾਲਾ ਅਤੇ ਪੁਰਸਕਾਰ ਸਮਾਰੋਹ ਮਨਾਇਆ। ਸੇਵਾ ਮੁਕਤ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਅੰਜੂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਅਤੇ ਗਾਲਾ ਚੇਅਰ ਕਨਕ ਗੋਲੀਆ, ਕੋ-ਚੇਅਰ ਹਰਿਸ਼ ਸ਼ਰਦਾਪੁਰੀ, ਟੀਜੇ ਅਨੰਦ ਅਤੇ ਸੰਜੂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਦੀ ਅਗਵਾਈ ਹੇਠ ਇਹ ਸਮਾਗਮ ਸਫਲ ਅਤੇ ਯਾਦਗਾਰ ਰਿਹਾ। इस प्रोग्राम विच भाईचारे दे मैंबरां, पतवंतियां अते मेहमानां ने खास तौर ते शिरकत कीती। इस मौके कई सरकारी अधिकारियां अते कम्युनिटी आगुआं ने विशेष तौर ते शिरकत कीती, जिन्हां विच हैरी सिंह बोला, लायंस डिस्ट्रिक्ट 20K2 डीजे इलेक्ट, माइकल रोबिसन, रोजमैरी वाकर अते होर लायंस क्लब दे आगू ते अधिकारी शामिल सन। इस शाम 5 ਉੱਘੀਆਂ ਮਹਿਲਾਵਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵਸ਼ਾਲੀ ਉੱਭਰਦੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਸਿਤਾਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਅਵਾਰਡ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਭਵਾਨੀ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਨਿਵਾਸਨ, ਡਾਕਟਰ ਐਜਲਿਸ ਕੁਮਾਰ, ਨੀਸ਼ਾ ਕੁਮਾਰ, ਸੰਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਅਤੇ ਤਨਵੀ ਗਰੋਵਰ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਸਨ। ਇਸ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਮੁੱਖ ਆਕਰਸ਼ਣ ਇੱਕ ਲਾਈਵ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਸੀ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ 1 ਦਰਜਨ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਮਾਡਲਾਂ ਨੇ ਅਸਲੀ ਅਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਨਦਾਰ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਪਹਿਰਾਵਿਆਂ ਅਤੇ ਗਹਿਣਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ, ਜਿਸ ਨੇ ਜਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਰ 4 ਚੰਦ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤੇ। ਇਸ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਦਾ ਵਿਸ਼ਾ ਫੈਸ਼ਨ ਫॉर ਕੰਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਸੀ, ਜੋ ਅੰਜੂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਅਤੇ ਸੰਜੂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਤੋਂ ਪ੍ਰੇਰਿਤ ਸੀ, ਜੋ ਸਮਾਜ ਸੇਵਾ, ਹਮਦਰਦੀ ਅਤੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਪਸ ਮੁੜਨ ਦੀ ਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਮਾਡਲਾਂ ਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਾਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹਿਤ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਸੁੰਦਰ ਸ਼ਬਦਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੋਰਡ ਫੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਸਨ। ਬੈਂਕੁਏਟ ਹਾਲ ਮਹਿਮਾਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਭਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ, ਜੋ ਰੰਗ-ਬਿਰੰਗੇ ਪਹਿਰਾਵੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ ਤੇ ਦੱਖਣੀ ਏਸ਼ੀਆਈ ਪਕਵਾਨਾਂ, ਰਾਤ ਦੇ ਖਾਣੇ ਅਤੇ ਮਿਠਾਈਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਨੰਦ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ। ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਅੰਜੂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਅਤੇ ਜਨਰਲ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਅਚਿਤ ਆਰੀਆ, ਆਸ਼ਾ ਦੁਆ, ਸੰਜੂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ, ਜੱਸੀ ਢਿੱਲੋਂ ਅਤੇ ਸਮੂਹ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੀ ਸਫਲਤਾ ਲਈ ਵਧਾਈ ਦੇ ਪਾਤਰ ਹਨ।
गीता शास्त्रधम पुण्यम या पठे प्रियतापमान विष्णु पदम वाप्रोति भय शोकादिवर्जिता गीता अध्ययन शैलस्य प्राणायाम परस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्म कृतानि च। ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ओम शांतकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वधारं गगनसदृशं।
We are here also joining our Lions Club members and the president of Lions Club, Anju Sharma, who have worked very hard to put together the community of 300 plus people here, celebrating their annual gathering and celebrating our communities, celebrating our cultures, and uniting people together so we could be stronger. And I congratulate the whole team. Thank you.
On behalf of Long Island Indo-American Lions Club, I warmly welcome you all for annual gala. Give a round of applause. It's a gala, guys. This evening is especially meaningful as we celebrate together just before Father's Day, a time to recognize and appreciate the fathers, professional, business owners and community leaders who make such valuable contribution to our families and communities. May I ask everyone to join me in giving them a big round of applause to all fathers and happy Father's Day. It is now my privilege to introduce a respected entrepreneur, community leader, and philanthropist, Mr. Hari Singh Bhola, CEO of Bhola Oil Corp, one of the founder of NAYO and patron of APS Punjabi Society. Mr. Bhola believes that when communities come together, great things happen. His leadership, generosity, and vision continue to inspire us all. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and join me giving a warm welcome to Mr. Hari Singh Bhola. We know him, right? You all go to fill your gas.
He is from my Punjab, so let me say something in Punjabi. Gali gali te nukkar nukkar, gali gali te nukkar nukkar, USA ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਰੋਲਾ, ਅੱਗੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਸੱਜੇ ਖੱਬੇ, ਆਮਣੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਭੋਲਾ ਹੀ ਭੋਲਾ. So Hari ji, we are so honored to have you, and our organization is doing so much community work. And it's all with the generosity of all of these leaders and people sitting in this office. And I request you also help us so we can reach out to more people. And for Hari ji, as he helps everyone, every organization, nobody comes empty-handed from him. So Long Island Indo-American Lions Club is honored to present him Humanitarian Ambassador. A humanitarian ambassador is an individual who amplifies compassion, generosity, and service by actively supporting humanitarian causes and advocating for the well-being of others through leadership, philanthropy, volunteerism, and community engagements. A humanitarian ambassador helps to improve lives, inspires positive changes, and serves as a voice for those in need. Thank you for all that you do for our community. With gratitude, Anju Sharma, President, Long Island Indo-American.
ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਾਇਨਸ ਕਲੱਬ ਦੇ ਅਖਾੜਾ ਤੇ ਸਵਰਲ ਬੈਂਕੁਏਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਅੰਜੂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਲਾਇਨਸ ਕਲੱਬ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਐਟ ਲਾਰਜ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਫੂਡ ਡਰਾਈਵਸ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਏ ਨੇ, ਚਾਹੇ ਕੰਬਲ ਵੰਡੇ ਨੇ, ਚਾਹੇ ਬੈੱਡ ਵੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਸਕਾਲਰਸ਼ਿਪਸ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ। ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਦੀਪਕ ਬੰਸਲ ਜੀ ਨਵੇਂ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਅੱਜ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਅਨਾਊਂਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਗਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਉਹ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਉਪਰਾਲਾ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੰਜੂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਦਾ ਸਾਥ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ। ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਅੰਜੂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ ਗਾਣਾ ਦਿਆ ਤੇ ਦੀਪਕ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਦੀਪਕ ਬੰਸਲ ਨੂੰ ਅਗਲਾ ਸਾਲ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ ਪਲੀਜ਼।
मुझे व्यूअर्स ਨੂੰ अंजू शर्मा लॉन्ग आइलैंड इंडो-अमेरिकन लायंस क्लब प्रेसिडेंट सत श्री अकाल, प्यार भरी नमस्ते। प्रीतम जी मेरे अपने टीम के मैंबर ने, मेरे सोशल मीडिया शेयर ने और एक ने ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਾਇंस क्लब ਦੇ हर प्रोजेक्ट ਨੂੰ हर कुछ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਨੇ और मेरी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਇਹ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਲਾਇंस क्लब ਨੂੰ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰੋ। ਅਸੀਂ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਰੀਚ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਬਹੁਤ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ और ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰੋ, ਮੈਂਬਰ ਬਣੋ और ਇਹ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ताकि ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਲਿਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੀਡੀ ਲੋਕ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
leaders and raise funds that will allow us to continue our humanitarian mission. Although our club is only 7-year-old, we have grown into one of the leading club in District 20K2. So this is a big achievement. We are proud to have the highest membership, the largest number of charter members, and a strong record of meaningful community service projects. In addition to our charitable work, we actively participate in social and community events that promote wellness, unity, and service. You will have the post.
Great job and taking the Lions Club to the different level. It's a high part. Next question. We founded the Lions Club with Shyam Gajwani, Indu Gajwani.
400945.
Such a well. We are proud to be Lions. All the best. Next question.
For listening. Thanks for kind comments. I am not any different than any one of you sitting in this room. We all came to this country one time or another. We just live a dream to have a successful life, have children that grow here, go to college, schools, and become something. We don't come with any plans that you want to become successful. But I do tell you, I have seen, and all of the community from my time 43 years ago, when I came to hardly see one of our faces when you go out on the street. Today, 6 million Indians, 1+ million Indians in New York alone, they feel like we are home, especially when you're coming from Punjab. And where we come from, Punjabis are known as a non-resident Indian. You find Sardajis in anywhere in any country in the world. We only make 2% of India. It's great to stand here to talk to all of you today. Not only we want to congratulate Anju Sharma and Madhuji and the team.
My name is Kanak. I am the Gala Chair and Senior Vice President of Lions Club. Today was the Gala and we have a lot of people from all the communities, all the leaders, all the volunteers. We are like more than 225 people and today is a big day. Even what the group was, because Lions Club, we are doing very good job. We give back to the community in all the sectors. If you see, we did education, we did give back to the community, glasses, groceries, all over the Long Island, twins, and
Madhumariji from Navika.
if you see today, it is well recognized in our community that this Lions Club is doing great job. So everybody is trying to support this gala and we are very happy to be here. God bless America. Thank you.
We are gathered here for our annual gala. And I request our District Governor-elect 2026-27, Michael Robinson, for the Pledge of Allegiance. Michael Robinson.
To the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you.
Please keep standing. I request PDG Past District Governor DJ Anand for the Lions Prayer. Past District Governor DJ Anand.
May Lions meet May Lions meet, be present, Lord, welcome our hearts in our one accord. To do thy will, Lord, make us strong, to wait the weak, to right the wrong. Bless this food to our use and us thy service, that we may bring honor and glory to the holy name. Amen.
I request Nancy for the toast. Nancy.
above you, never beneath you, but always with you. Thank you. I request Narendra Kapoor ji, you can be seated.
I would like to introduce a person who doesn't need an introduction. I think you all know. Can you guess? Can you all guess whom I'm introducing? Okay, I'm going to introduce Mr. Kanak Golia, who is the perfume king. When somebody smells good near you, you know where to go and get it, right? It's Kanak Golia. So I'd like to introduce Mr. Kanak G. Golia, who is very humble, blessing with two wonderful kids, Preeti ji and Piyush. Piyush is working with him, and Preeti ji, I should say, God bless her. She's one of the wonderful doctor I have seen, and I can vouch because she's my doctor. So I will not take you too much time, because I'll give mic to Kanak sir to say a few words, and before he speaks, I would like you all to rise and give him a round of applause, because he's the Gala chair. That's why we all are sitting here. Guys, please rise and give a round of applause to Kanak Golia.
गीता श्वासमिदं पुण्यं या पुटे प्रियतापमान् विष्णो पदं वा प्रोति भरे शोकादिवर्जिताः गीता अध्यं शैलस्य प्राणायां परस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्म कृतानि च ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे.
Dedicated chairs of our various subcommittees whose collective efforts, enthusiasm and commitment have been the backbone of our club's success this year. Each one of you has played an invaluable role. A special word of appreciation to Lion Sanjeev ji. Sanjeev ji, who's behind the scenes dedication and tireless execution of every program that has been. She has been the engine that keeps our club running. She is truly the backbone of all that we do. We have our souvenir, which will be released soon. It's a keepsake. It's a testament to the milestone we have achieved together and a reminder of the meaningful difference we continue to make in our community. This evening, we are truly honored to recognize 5 remarkable individuals whose achievements and contributions have made a lasting impact on our community. Dr. Bhavani Srinivasan, Dr. Anjalish Kumar.
Because everybody helped me. President alone cannot do anything. It's the team who give them stand and they work together. That's what we work and we make a change in the community. This year we proudly expanded our commitment to the education. As you saw in the video, 27,500 in scholarship provided to the meaningful students to get the education. 27,500. It was all generated from last year's grant. Our club joined Apahas Ashram Jalandhar and Jeev Sansthan in Bhopal, where underprivileged people get the medical health. I would like to thank our past President Indu Gajwani, Dr. Sunil Mehra, Sham Gajwani. Induji and Shamji, due to some unavoidable emergency, she is not here. And I'm so thankful to them. The path I'm walking on, Dr. Mehra and past President, you paved that path. I would also like to extend my gratitude to my senior Vice President Kanak Golia ji, whose guidance, encouragement and unwavering support have been a constant source throughout my presidential journey of 2 years. His wisdom, dedication and belief in our mission inspired me to strive for excellence.
and remain focused to serving our community. I am deeply thankful, Kanakji, for your guidance, for your wisdom. I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to my family, my brother Rakesh Sharma, who is here from India, my sister Sanju Sharma, my son Kumar Ishan, if you can stand Kumar, my brother-in-law Dr. Mahendra Sharma, my nephew Anjit Ari. Their support throughout my journey strengthened me. Thank you to everyone who has supported this mission and graced this gala. If I look around, the whole hall is full of mentors, leaders. Dr. Arya, Urmila Shanti, I work with you, Dr. Gupta, Pradeep ji. Every table is filled with the leaders. My journey, my years are very few years, but I have learned so much from all of you. Dr. Neelam Modi, Raj Modi ji, always giving me support. And my extreme honorees, they are the one who made this gala so beautiful tonight. And we are going to start honoring our honorees. And I'm so thankful to all of you giving me support. And my humble request, please, whatever way you can give, please help so anybody can reach out the person in need. And as you know, I just wanted to know about 1947, if somebody remembered. 1947 is a number which nobody can forget. 1947, India got the independence. And 1947 is the number when the Long Island Indo-American Lions Club, the house of Mr. Vijay Shah. Mr. Vijay Shah, if you're listening to me, our founder chairman, Mr. Vijay Shah, was approached by his friend to form the Lions Club. So he's such a humble and mellow person. And Mr. Harish Mehta, who inspired to open the club. Thank you, Harish ji. Look here, we are 7 years old now and we are doing whatever you have given us the guidance. Thank you so much.
Wonderful job. They spent 2 years and they make the Lions Club proud. And now the responsibility is put on my shoulder and I have to raise the bar with their help and team. So I request each and everyone to support as they supported Anjali and Sanju. So I request each and everyone to support me too so that we can do better. Thank you each and everyone.
We start for our honorees. I request Dr. Sunil Mehra, our past president, for our first honoree.
And I want to wish we are Lions because we serve. We're very thankful to you, all of you. And I got the honor, thanks to Anju ji and the honoree, the lady who has presented, who has proved us as a leader, a friend, a physician, a social worker, a lady who graduated from Grants Medical College and became the president this year of Grants School from Bombay, and then later now she trained in pediatrics. She became a big director in the Suffolk town and taking care of the young kids with trouble. So over years she has done remarkable work. She has shown that she can be a leader, she can be a mother, she can be a good friend, and she has proven it by becoming a president of Indian Association of Long Island. Then she followed as only women president of AAPI-QRI. And then she became the chair. She deserved it. She earned it by her hard work, and I am surprised that they gave her the Life Achievement Award at that young age. She has a long way to go. She has a long way to go. And over last year, she proved that even the Lions Club, Indo-American, Hicksville works hard under Anju. She proved that Rotarians are as good as Lions Club. So she has done that. Just being not a physician or a leader, she has proved she's a bright son. One is a crypto king, but
Committee, and the organizers for conferring this award on me. They all exemplify the Lions Club motto, "We serve." As you saw their pictures, they are doing more than that. It was Anjuji's birthday 2 days ago. Happy birthday, Anjuji! Yes, on the 16th, 2 days ago. And being recognized by your peers is a very special thing that, it is something to be experienced. And that is what was conferred to me by Lions Club. It was conferred to me by RPQLI when they gave me the Lifetime Achievement Award. And I want to also thank all my well-wishers and my friends.
Namaste to everyone. First and foremost, I want to thank God for the countless lessons, and people who have helped shape my journey. I am truly honored and humbled to receive this recognition from the Long Island Indo-American Lions Club. Thank you to President Anju Sharma, the leadership team, members, volunteers, and supporters of this incredible organization. The work you do reminds us that the true measure of success is not what we accumulate, but how we show up for others. Through your service, generosity, and commitment to uplifting our communities, you embody the very best of who we can be. As I reflect on what I wanted to say tonight, my thoughts immediately went to my father. Like so many immigrants, he came to this country with courage, determination, and a dream for a better future. Throughout my life, I have watched my father work hard, sacrifice, and show up for others in our community. He never did it for recognition. He simply believed that if you have the ability to help, you help. When people congratulate me for my accomplishments, I often think that I am simply mirroring what I saw growing up. I am walking the path that was made possible by the sacrifice.
Welcome her to our Lions Club Gala.
Thank you so much, and thank you to the Lions Club for this amazing honor and for your recognition of all the achievements of the people in the Indian community. We're truly such an amazing group of people, and I think all of us who grew up in small towns in Long Island know how important our Indian community in those towns have been, that we were truly raised by all the parents in that community. We felt so comfortable walking into people's homes, hanging out with their families, hanging out with their parents like they were our...
My humble request, please listen to the kid. I was so impressed when I read her bio and have seen her growing up, and the work she has done, you'll see with establishing, and we'll be coordinating with her to do the projects through Lions Club.
Thank you so much. So on that note, some of you may know me as Miss Teen India New York or Miss Teen India USA and even Miss Teen India Worldwide. I won those titles at the age of 13, but now...
Deepak Ji Mansan, where is the Deepak Ji Mansan? Please, everyone, please come. Congratulations. With your guidance, we will do more better job. Thank you. Please open the food. Please open the food.
We have our sponsors. I want you to call them one by one. We wanted to honor them. Our sponsors, Nitika Garg.
In the meantime, people have to take a
Hi everyone, my name is Tanvi Grover and I'm one of the honorees tonight. And I would like to start with the organization and the organizers for It's truly inspiring to see the role models for teenagers like me to
Thank you so much for being with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much to the Indo-American Lions Club for recognizing the achievements of these important
ambassador, and I'm very deep gratitude. I accept the honor which Indo-American Lions Club has given me today. This is for community service, for being president of RPQLI, for being the only woman president and only woman chairman of the board there, and also president of Rotary Club as well as president of Grand Rapids College alumni. So thank you. God bless all the listeners who are tuning into your program. Okay.
I'm Nishna Kumar from Greenwich, Connecticut, and it's such an honor to accept this award. I stand in the company of so many amazing and talented other honorees, and also the entire Indo-American community. The Lions Club does amazing work, and it is wonderful to celebrate all the service and generosity that they provide this evening. Thank you.
Say thank you to the Long Island Indo-American Lions Club. Thank you to President Anju Sharma for honoring me tonight. It's such a pleasure to be honored by such a beautiful organization for my work and commitment to service and to community. And I hope to be able to work alongside them to do some more things. Thank you so much.
ਲੇਟੈਸਟ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਣ ਲਈ ਸਾਡਾ ਚੈਨਲ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਅਤੇ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦਬਾਓ।